Beginning students often move their wrist or the whole body when reaching to the wider intervals with the thumb. Teachers must bring the awareness of the thumb's real stretch from the early lessons.
Can stretch far away from these fingers. You really don't. Yeah, see how far it can go. You play 3, you drop on G, and then just stretch, and that's it. 2, stretch. Yeah, without wrist. Let's do just thumb. Yeah. See? But you don't also need to fall on thumb down. Now again, you're turning the whole hand. You just need to go straight down. Down, and then stretch over. That's it. Try once more. Relax. Relax. Tall sound. Tall. Yes. And the same way. Don't rush. Relax after each note. Look at my hand. See, your hand goes like that. My hand goes towards the tongue. Again. Drop, jump, jump, drop,